periodic table, it is about the classification of elements and trends in properties. Why do we need to classify elements at all? Suppose if you happen to know that lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, all of them belong to the same group, you can easily understand the relation in their properties. You can say if the formula of lithium chloride is LiCl, that of sodium chloride will be NaCl, KCl or BCl. So, all elements with similar properties have been arranged in horizontal and vertical lines, and the horizontal lines are called periods and the vertical are called groups. Look here, we have 18 groups in the periodic table. This is the broad picture of the periodic table. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 4p, 5s, 5p, 6s, 6p, 7s, 7p. Every period starts with an S element and ends with a P element. And after 4s, we will get 3D and followed by, after 4s there is a twist, 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. And after 6s, you have 4f and 5f. If you closely observe, this is the arrangement of elements in the periodic table, and this of course is the electronic configuration, the above principle and the Moyle's diagram. So, if the last element, if the last electron enters S sublevel, it is called S block. For example, look at the electronic configuration of sodium: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Therefore, the last electron, which is called the differentiating electron is in S, therefore it is an S block element. And first group of S block, not only an S block, first group of S block, 3s1. So, if you happen to know the electronic configuration of a particular element, you can identify its position in the periodic table. So, now tell me 3s2, 3p3, an element whose valence shell configuration is this, of course followed by 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Where do you find this element? 3p. You will find that in the third period, 3p. And p block, the 6 elements towards the extreme right are called p block elements. Why do we have 6 elements only there? Because P sublevel can accommodate 6 electrons. You can have P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. And we have only 2 groups in the S block because S sublevel can accommodate 2 electrons only. S1, S2. Sodium, magnesium, S1, S2. Like that, the D block will have 10 groups because the D sublevel can accommodate 10 electrons, D1 to D10. And of course, these F block elements are written separately because if you write the 14 elements of F block here, it will be too lengthy, 32 groups. Therefore, the 14 elements are written separately. So, what is the definition of a particular block? If the differentiating electron, what do you mean by differentiating electron? Last electron. The last electron enters S sublevel, it is an S block element. P sublevel P block, D sublevel D block, F sublevel F block. Okay? The last electron enters a particular sublevel. The block will be decided basing on that.